Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a triple open cup, kind of a maybe a slow motion traveling one is what I'm going to do. I have two smaller open cups ready to go and a big one. I'm going to put my first colors down and then raise this side up a tiny bit and pour some more colors and see if it just starts traveling on its own so I don't have to tilt it too much. We'll see. I haven't tried this yet, so fingers crossed it works. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And all of you that keep coming back, love you for it. Thank you so much. The thumbs up, all the comments, it's just wonderful. Okay, I've got a 12 by 24 canvas in front of me with the black acrylic ready to go. And now all of my acrylics I have pre-mixed with the Artist Loft, not the Artist Loft, sorry, the Sargent's Art pearlescent mixing medium. Hopefully it shows up clear for you. I know sometimes it's a little bit blurry and I apologize. We're still trying to figure out this new camera. So 50% of this, 50% acrylic paint, and a little bit of water is what my mixture is on all of my cups. All right, let's give this a whirl here. I'm just going to give it a torch. Now I do have in my description a link to some of the stuff you'll see me using, like this torch from Amazon. If you click the link and decide to buy something, I will get a tiny commission on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. So feel free to shop if you're needing anything. Okay, I'm going to put that one there. This one right about here. Oh, I need to put my puddle down first. Hold on one second. Hold that thought. I need to put more of a puddle of black right here. Now this black I'm squirting on, same as the base, only I've put 3 drops of silicone in this bottle. Hopefully it creates lots of cells. Okay, I'm going to put the big one down right about there. Okay. 3 open cups ready to go. I'm going to do burgundy first. Now this is my own burgundy. It's red and black mixed together with a little bit of blue to make this burgundy. So I couldn't tell you what color it is. It's just Sandra's burgundy. First color going down. I'm going to put it in each open cup. Okay, we'll start with that. Then I think I'm going to do a little bit of white. Yeah, I'm going to layer it with some white. So white's going down. Now I'm not going to make these exactly the same. I am going to alternate some of the coloring as I go. But for now we'll start with that. Okay. Now let's do my aqua green. And aqua green over here. And if you drip, that's okay. It's going to be flowing. We're going to be tilting. It's all good. So this one's going to get some blue, ultramarine blue. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more black to each of these. Okay, so now let's go with my light blue. Let's put a green in the center. I'm going to do pink on either side here. Fluorescent pink. Okay, so now I'm just going to stop for a second and I'm going to put popsicle stick under this one just to raise it up a little bit, and under this one. Let's see if we just get it moving. This one's going pretty good. Okay, so let's go with burgundy again. Actually, let's do some white, sorry. White. White. And white. Okay. I'm going to take a chance and do the aqua green. See if it does anything with that burgundy mixture. Going to do a little bit more black. Be lots of paint on this. Okay, I'm going to put another stick on this guy. Another one on this one. Okay, let's do some more green. Let me get my hands wiped a little bit here. Almost out of that green. Have to mix up some more. Do some hot pink here. Okay, let's finish off my colors. I have a little bit of this aqua green left. Ultramarine. Put it in both. Oh, we'll do this one too. Okay. So white. Let's do a little bit more white. This one's going to go right off the edge. A little bit more white in here, maybe. I'm going to take my stick here and finish off that white. Okay. Now we got still some of the light blue. Close enough. Okay, I'm going to get rid of some of my lids here too so I don't make a mess. Okay, burgundy, last color down. I'll try and pull this guy this way some. Lifted it a little bit. Okay. This guy's going to go to the middle more. Lift it a tiny bit. This guy's got to go this way. Looking good so far. Let's give it a quick little torch. I'm going to turn this guy, move him this way some. Now as I'm turning it, I'm lifting it a tiny bit. Not much though. Okay, that pattern's down. Now this one I'm going to go this way. Lifting a tiny bit. There's a lot of color in there. I'm going to keep going here. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now this one, I'm going to go this way. Okay, that's looking like it's going to have a very, very cool pattern. Let's give it another torch. Okay, now I'm going to remove these sticks out of here. And start tilting this. Now that is a lot of paint on here. I'm just going to go slow. Hopefully I don't get too much of the out of camera range. I'm just going to put it down for a sec. See what it's doing. I love this corner up over here. It's just awesome. Okay, I'm going to tilt it that way a tiny bit. Whoop. Okay. Just want to get that corner. Okay. Sorry, I know you're probably going to see the back of the canvas for a minute. Just trying to decide which way I want to go here. Okay, back down again. I don't think I'm going to want to tilt this very much more. A little bit this way. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I'm going to go back this way. There we go. Okay, let me give it a quick little torch. I definitely don't have to worry about my sides being covered because there's lots of paint there. But when this dries, it's going to be wow. Got some beautiful cells in there. All right. Now hopefully with the side view and the front view, you guys got a good shot of this painting because it's very, very cool looking. I will show on the side view here as well. I just spilt paint, it looks like, right onto my bottle here. But just trying this mixing medium, holding it up to this camera to see if it's better for you to see for clarity. Just to test you guys to see. Doesn't look like it makes it much better. Pearlescent mixing medium. 50% acrylic paint and 50% the mixing medium. A little bit of water and away you go. There we go, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. I'm sure there'll be one coming up right now for you to click on. Give it a click. Watch that too. Thanks again, everyone.